Hey everybody, Quilt Marine here. So, in continuing our Bargello quilt. All right, so we finished our block, all right, our first block that I started off with, okay? Remember the very first one was that yellow and green that I was wondering about. This is the block, okay? So I went forward and continued on to make more blocks to make a larger quilt, okay? So here's another one. Okay, remember, I'm making big quilts for people to use, to actually put on their beds, okay? Not on the wall, all right? It's the red one. We've got a couple of batiks here. Let's see what we got here. Here's a batik right here. This one. Okay, and we have another batik right here. I did 4 big blocks, okay? Oh, let's turn that upside down. We did 4, so we're going to put those 4 into one quilt. All right, so the next thing I have all 4 blocks, but you know they didn't come out all at the same size, right? Okay, so we got to size them down. So this one is the smallest of them. And it's measured, I measured it at, I think it's 40. It's at 40, I think. Lay it out. Let's measure it here. Yeah, we're at 40 inches lengthwise, and we are, sorry about the mess, guys. And we are at, let's see what we got here is about 32 and a half. So with the other 3, I'm gonna size them down to 40 by 32 and a half so that we have a nice square quilt. I'm gonna run a black border in between each block, okay? Then once we get done with that, we'll have our quilt top. I'm gonna go we'll sash with black and we'll border with black as well, all right? Because I want the black to bring you into seeing the pattern of the Bargello, all right? So once we get done with that, we'll have a quilt top, and then we'll be moving on to another one, another block. My block that I like. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. You thought I was gonna tell you what it was? No, I'm not gonna tell you what it is. So we're gonna finish this off. We'll come back. I'll show you the finished product to throw on somebody's bed with dogs. I'm not offended. My dogs tear my quilts up all the time. It doesn't make me butt hurt. I'm good, okay? It's the process, all right? It's the process for me. For some people, it might be the end result. It's not. It's the process for me, okay? So let me get to this. We'll square these blocks off. I'll sash them. I'll border them. And then I'll show you the finished product. And we'll be done with our Bargello, our 900-year Bargello quilt, okay? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.